Our township, wrecked whilst our parents were still building. Our people are not moving. There are shacks, insufficient land. Our township lies flat on its back on waters that are shallow. The streams of consciousness are said to be narrow. There are shadows moving in the sorrows of a sophisticated machine whose work remains unseen, like it is lost in the sea, especially in the eyes of those who are not familiar with our kind. There was never enough time to scribble stories on a page. Our township's history could never be found in books, but in the way our ascendants look. They are palm lines, like railway lines leading to times when to be alive was to be a victim of abuse. So many souls were bruised. There are traces of wounds. Our township holds many untold stories that can only come with age. Stories of how our ascendants held storms in their hands, how they would burn with rage when they were slaves, predestined for a fast-forward reality into the grave. A different phase, a mysterious place, like an empty stage that's darker than a cave. So where to? They would sometimes wonder. But I too have at times wondered, and I've since realized that the seeds were planted. And despite the madness, these lotus flowers are beginning to flourish. We are startling the heavens and charming the oceans around us like spirals. Our spines are spinning, and still we have inner peace instilled inside. We are steady even when our limbs begin to shiver. We will keep thriving. Load shedding could never drive us to sleep. Resilience is what we keep in the dark corners of our shape-shifting streets. Even in our dreams we seek to expand, and our RDPs we extend. Our hands may be weak, but we still stand on our own feet, for our job is incomplete. Spirits divine have arrived to redesign these hives into a beautiful cosmos with cosmic sunrises and edges of forever. Wherever the sun sets, we are restructuring, self-remembering, recreating. Forget the imaginings, the hallucinations, and all the dangerous feels. We are erasing all the treacherous pains that our elders could never run from, simultaneously mending hearts that were once broken and torn. We are drawing closer to our purest forms, painting new lyrics to our old songs. Nobody knows where our township goes, 'cause it floats, but we are moving tremendously, resurrecting our locations into an eternity. We are writing poems on our floors with our toes as we go.